Curious about the cost of groceries in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua? Well, on September 19th, 2025, I went on a grocery haul, and I am going to share that with you. You will see in this video a product. I'll hold it up for you. Then you will see it broken down in three currencies, the cost broken down in three currencies. The first one will be Cordobas, or we call them cords locally. The second will be USD, or US dollars, and the third one will be Canadian dollars, CAD. So just sit back and enjoy the music and find out what things cost here in San Juan del Sur. If at the end of this video you feel like you received some good information, please give me a thumbs up. It costs you nothing at all, and it helps me out a great deal with the algorithm. Okay, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.